Hi everyone, this is me Supriya Gautam and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Nordwind Gaming. So today's video is all about Miya's costume, which is going to be the last part of the series. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first we're going to draw the pattern for the cape. So this is the back side and the other one is going to be the front side. Now I'm going to use this red fabric, using a measuring tape over here to mark. Now using a rolling cutter to cut the pattern. So this is the required pattern that we have over here, and next up we are going to add fur to the edges. And in order to attach this fur, I'm going to stitch it to the red fabric. So I don't know how to stitch well, but I'm literally trying over here. I think I'm doing a decent job over here. So this is done and we're going to repeat the same process for the other sides as well. Now let's work on the corset. So first we're going to make the pattern of it. And then I'm going to place these patterns onto the brown textured fabric and leaving margin. In order to achieve a clean look, I'm going to hem the edges. Placing boning inside. And here I am using eyelet plier in order to install eyelets to the corset. The initial stage was so hard for me to do it because you have to press it really hard. But I somehow managed. And here I am cutting the back side of the corset and repeating the same process. And I'm going to add this velcro. In order to join all the parts of the corset, I'm using 3 elastic strips on each side. So finally the corset is ready. So for the base of the costume, I'm using this red top and the red skirt, and I'm going to add fur to the edges of the skirt. I'm using synthetic adhesive over here. Also adding golden adhesive strips for the detailing of the skirt as per the design that we see in the costume. And next I'm using this golden glitter tube in order to add some more detailing. Last but not the least, adding silver stones. So for the detailing of the top, I'm using this golden fabric sheet and I'm going to cut this into a thin strip and place it onto the top according to the design. And here I am using this red fabric again in order to make the other cape. Cutting it into the desired shape. In order to achieve a nice shape, I'm going to add boning. And some more detailings with the golden and green strips. That's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. And if you have any doubts, so do let me know in the comment section down below. And in the next video, we are going to start our SOA costume from Wonderomen. So stay tuned to Cosplay Genie and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you. Bye bye.